Hi you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ever since I was a kid, I've always dreamt of going to Paris, and today that dream came true. I woke up in Paris. First up today is Trocadero. I'm here to watch the sunrise. And what else? Photos, 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 and more photos. Here early in the morning, it felt like I had the Eiffel Tower all to myself. And it was so calming to watch as the new day breaks. It gives you that instant hit of happiness. Just finishing off my coffee right now, and then I'm off to explore the Eiffel Tower. The Iron Lady is 130 years old today, mind you, but it's still as dashing as ever. Like you. You will be waiting in line forever if you want to go up, so buy your tickets online to save time. I'm now on my way to the first floor of the tower. You can find bean bags on the first floor where you can casually eat your macarons. Cheers! Also on the first floor you will find a glass floor that will allow you to look down. This is one of the tower's highlights. To be though. The second floor. Here you will feel like Paris is at your feet. You will see the left bank to the right bank and all the major city landmarks from the top. hot dogs at the second floor. Somewhere that if you add 2 letters to Paris, it becomes paradise. Paris is indeed a paradise. My heart is so happy right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next Paris adventure. Bye! Ciao, ciao!